Okay, hi. Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for being here today. My name is Azrul Effendi bin Abdul Latif, and my student ID is 2024495866. I'm excited to share with you my presentation about a business that me and my team have chosen to analyze, which is Ahmad Tafufa HQ. This presentation will cover the background of the business, the vision and mission, competitive advantages, and also marketing strategies. Let's get started. Okay, to begin, Ahmad Tafufa HQ is a sole proprietorship that specializes in producing and selling fresh taufufa, a traditional soy-based dessert. The business stands out by offering customizable toppings and flavor, making it appealing to modern preference. The business operate from number 104 Jalan TPH 17 Taman Tambak Paya Harmoni, Kampung Tambak Paya 75460 Melaka. This strategic location allows it to cater to both urban and semi-urban markets effectively. As for the vision of Ahmad Tafufa HQ is to become a leading brand known for quality and innovation in the dessert industry. This reflects a commitment to creating products that customers trust and enjoy. Its mission is built on three important pillars. First, offering fresh and high quality products made from organic soybean. Second, promoting healthier dessert options to meet the preference of health conscious consumers. Third, supporting sustainability through the use of eco-friendly packaging. By focusing on this objective, Ahmad Tahufa HQ aims to provide value to its customer and stand out in the market. At the details of the business, Ahmad Tahufa HQ was established with an initial owner capital of RM 20,000. The target market includes individual aged from 15 to 40 years, and then targeting middle income earners. These demographic values have conscious, affordable, and convenient dessert option. The business is well positioned to meet this need, particularly in urban and semi-urban areas where such offerings are in demand. Okay, as for competitive advantage, Ahmad Tafufa HQ distinguished itself from competitors through three main competitive advantage. First, organic soybeans. The use of high quality organic ingredient ensures that the product are healthy and flavorful. Number two, affordable pricing. The pricing strategy make the dessert accessible to middle income earners or consumer without compromising quality. Third, eco-friendly packaging. Embracing sustainability, the business use environmental friendly packaging which aligns with current customer value. These advantages enhance the brand's appeal and set it apart in the marketplace. Okay, to build awareness and attract customers, Ahmad Tafufa HQ employs two main marketing strategies. Firstly, social media campaign, which is by utilizing platforms such as Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. The business showcase its product, engage with potential customer, and build an online presence. Second, free sample at event. The business owner providing free sample at community and public event allow potential customer to try the product, increasing the likelihood of repeat purchases. These strategies are effective in creating visibility and fostering customer trust.
I am going to explain about business characteristic Ahmad Tafufa HQ. Firstly, registration. Ahmad Tafufa HQ is registered under SSM Suruhanjaya Syarikat Malaysia to conduct business activity legally. Secondly, characteristic is capital. The amount capital is around Rm 20,000 ringgit. Thirdly is profit and loss. The financial statement are not disclosed to the public. Profit and loss are entered by the owners. Personally entitled to all of the profit and is responsible for any debts that business incurs. Next is liability. Ahmad Tafufa HQ is unlimited liability because Ahmad Tafufa HQ is a sole proprietorship business. And the last one is ownership. Ahmad Tafufa HQ is a sole proprietorship, which means single owner, and managed and controlled by one person.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Azhar bin Ibrahim, and now I will explain about. I will present about the classification of business item that we have in Ahmad Tafufa. First, we're going to asset. These are the elements that include in the asset classification. First, cash in hand. Cash in hand bring the meaning of the any cash that we receive from the customer, uh, not from the transaction of the to the bank account. Next, cash at bank. The cash at bank is the any transaction that we receive from the customer uh, to the our bank account. Next, for the vehicle, Ahmad Tafufa using a van that we are using for delivery or any accommodation needed. Next, the equipment. Equipment include all the equipment that we use, like machines uh, and any office equipment for the staff using. Next is the receivable, or that we can say it as debtor for any customer that buy our product on credit. Next, we are going to the expenses classification. First, advertisement. Ahmad Tafufa post their advertisement mostly on TikTok and Facebook, and we are also hired the designer for make a poster for us, and we are also uh, using the printing service for uh, make a banner for our shop. Next is rental. Ahmad Tafufa are not using are not own building by ourselves, so we are rent from others. So the rental include in the expenses classification. Next, for the salary and wages. Salary obviously for the workers and for the staff that operate the business. Next, for the next is the carriage inward. Carriage inward, any delivery charge for the equipment or ingredient from our supplier, and carriage outward is for the delivery charge that we charge to the customer. Uh, then move to the utility. Utility, uh, we can separate into bills, uh, like uh, the electric bills and others. For the maintenance, uh, we can understand maintenance is any maintenance that we need for machine maintenance, vehicle maintenance, and others. And interest on loan. Tafufa also make a loan from bank for the business, So uh, the interest on loan that we need to pay is included as the expenses. Next, we are moving for the liability classification. As I said before, Ahmad Taufofa made a loan from bank for the business and account payables. Payables that is the amount insured that we have not paid from to the supplier. Then next we are going to owner equity. Owner equity is the capital. Any any amount of cash or any vehicle that we brought in to the business. For Amata Fofa is the cash for 20,000 as for start and a van for vehicle. And last for classification part is revenue. Sales that we can understand any sales that we made and we receive uh, any amount of money that we receive from the customer and the discount received that we receive from our supplier. So discount receipt is contra to the expenses is also known as revenue. So that's all for my part. Thank you.
My name is Muhammad Shazwan Adlan, and I will be presenting the recording process used by Ahmad Taufufa. The enterprise uses SQL for accounting to record its transaction and operation since Ahmad displays his product at multiple stores and he has a few agents. The system allows the enterprise to centralize its recording process. By using SQL, recording transaction is the first step. When he delivers his Taufu file, he will usually issue a delivery order and invoice to the agents or to the shop that he used to display his Taufu file. When buying his supplies such as soybean, gula melaka, and food container, he will issue a purchasing order as he always buys them in bulk. All these transactions are then kept into the system database. The second step is all transactions that occur within the month is journalized automatically by SQL using the double entry system. This helps to ensure that the accounting equation is balanced for every transaction. The third step is all transactions will then be posted to the general ledger by using SQL queries, where accounts are summarized and updated by the system. SQL will then automatically calculates and updates to the ledger as new transactions are being recorded. The fourth and fifth step is trial balance and adjustment, which will then be prepared by using SQL queries where report can be generated by the system. The last step is profit or loss statement. By using SQL, Ahmad can generate his profit or loss statement for his enterprise when he needed it. SQL also supports in generating balance sheet where Ahmad can see his assets, liabilities, and equity. That's it for me. Thank you.
Alright. Now I will share on Ahmad Taufufa strength and weaknesses during recording process of their business transaction. For the strength, could consider Ahmad Taufufa use a correct tools for recording all the transaction instead of using Microsoft Excel. Due to recording all the transaction, Ahmad Taufufa already use SQL to help digitize his business. By using SQL, in terms of managing and consolidate the business invoice and delivery order are more efficient and effective. Others that SQL also align with LSUDN system which is my tax, and also Ahmad Taufufa take a good decision to grow and expand his business in future since he already an established supportive system that can handle larger volume of transaction. In terms of weaknesses of recording process, uh, all the data transaction performed by owner of the business which conflict with his responsibility in managing his business. Need training to use SQL efficiently. Others that Ahmad Taufufa need to hire account manager or focal person to handle day-to-day operation of his business. Possibility to make a mistake while keeping track of all the transaction which will affect profit and loss statement for his business transaction. So that's all recording process for Ahmad Tapufa for his strength and weaknesses. Thank you.